Have you ever stared at a blank screen for hours, desperately trying to come up with your next YouTube video idea? What if I told you that YouTube just released an AI tool that could completely eliminate that creative block forever? Today, we're diving deep into TubeMagic AI, and trust me, this isn't just another overhyped tech announcement. This could literally transform how you create content in 2026. I'm going to show you exactly how this revolutionary tool works, why it's causing such a stir in the creator community, and most importantly, how you can use it to finally break through that growth plateau that's been holding your channel back. But first, let me ask you something. How many hours did you spend last week just trying to figure out what to post? For most small creators, the answer is way too many. You know that feeling when you're burning through ideas faster than you can execute them? Or worse, when the well runs completely dry? That nightmare is about to become ancient history because TubeMagic AI just changed the entire game. Here's what's revolutionary about this tool. TubeMagic AI doesn't just help with one aspect of content creation, it's a complete ecosystem that handles the 5 biggest pain points every creator faces. We're talking about video ideation, script generation, title optimization, description writing, and tag selection, all powered by artificial intelligence that's specifically trained on YouTube's algorithm. Let's start with video ideas because this is where most creators get stuck. TubeMagic AI analyzes trending topics in your niche, examines what's working for channels similar to yours, and generates fresh concepts that have high viral potential. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just spit out random suggestions. The AI considers your channel's performance history, your audience demographics, and current YouTube trends to create ideas that are perfectly tailored to your specific situation. Think about it this way. Instead of spending 3 hours browsing other channels for inspiration, you could have 20 high-potential video ideas in under 5 minutes. That's not just convenient, that's a complete paradigm shift in how we approach content planning. But ideas are just the beginning. The script generation feature is where things get really interesting. TubeMagic AI can create full video scripts based on your chosen topic, incorporating proven engagement techniques, optimal pacing, and strategic call to actions. Now, I'm not saying you should use these scripts word for word, but having a solid foundation to build from can cut your preparation time in half. The title optimization feature might be the most valuable component for growth-focused creators. We all know titles make or break videos, but crafting that perfect balance between clickability and accuracy is an art form. TubeMagic AI generates multiple title variations for each video, testing them against viral patterns and YouTube's preference algorithms. You're basically getting the expertise of a seasoned YouTube strategist built into software. Description writing has always been tedious, but it's crucial for discoverability. TubeMagic AI creates comprehensive descriptions that naturally incorporate relevant keywords, maintain readability, and include all the elements YouTube's algorithm looks for. No more copying and pasting generic descriptions or leaving them completely blank because you ran out of time. The tag selection system is equally impressive. Instead of guessing which tags might help your video get discovered, the AI analyzes successful videos in your niche and identifies the tag combinations that consistently drive views. It's like having insider knowledge about what actually works. Now, let's talk about why this matters for your channel growth. Time is the most valuable resource for any creator, especially if you're juggling YouTube with other responsibilities. TubeMagic AI essentially gives you back hours of your life while potentially improving your content quality. That's a combination that can accelerate growth exponentially. The real power comes from consistency. When ideation, scripting, and optimization become effortless, you can focus on what really matters, creating great content and connecting with your audience. Regular uploads with optimized metadata equal better algorithmic performance, which means more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more success. Here's my prediction. Creators who embrace tools like TubeMagic AI early will have a massive advantage over those who stick to traditional methods. The gap between tech-savvy creators and everyone else is about to widen significantly. The future of YouTube creation isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. TubeMagic AI represents exactly that philosophy, and honestly, I think we're just seeing the beginning of how AI will revolutionize content creation. Are you ready to level up your channel?